Welcome to another tech tip in February under 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Google Sheets look a little bit more organized and easier to read. So I have this sheet open right here. As you can see, there's information in here that we can't see. So all I can see right now is just one little sentence. If I double click, I can see the whole thing. I'm going to make it easier for you. What you're going to do is you can do this, I would say do this from the start when you're setting up a spreadsheet, but there's these four boxes that I want to format them a little bit different. So I'm going to go to the Format tab, and under Wrapping, what they're in right now is Overflow, which means that the text just keeps going on and on and on. You can wrap it, which then puts everything into one box, and you can read the whole thing. Sometimes if you have a lot of text in there, it makes this sheet really, really large. And the last thing that you can do is clip it. So it kind of looks like the first one. If you had less text, it wouldn't be as big of a deal. I always default to the wrap. Then I can see everything that was in the box that I wanted. So if you're finding that your text is just way too big, maybe think about using 2 boxes for it. But make sure that you're formatting and you're wrapping. I would suggest a wrap every single time for a lot of text.